welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be going through some wax melts. This is my absolute favorite, so I'm sharing my secret with you guys. And I know I posted some videos on Instagram before, but this wax melt brand from the UK is freaking amazing. I've bought from them twice already. I know that the postage is a little bit hectic. It's about £18, which works out to like roughly what, 400 rand. They have some lovely specials, and at the end of the day, thinking about a Yankee candle that is 400 rand or a little snap pot full of wax melts that last you just as long. Yeah, if you're willing to splurge, if you are a freak like me, I literally bought the other day the winter collection, which comes in a beautiful box. I showed it on Instagram, and it had 20 of these snap pots. So if you guys can see, there's like 6, and one of these corners I burn. You guys can literally see here, I burn the whole day long. So that thing burns for like about a couple of days non-stop, and then only I need to chuck another one in, or yeah, replace it. So if you guys are interested in knowing which ones I bought, keep watching. Okay, so if you guys would like to have a look on their website or their Instagram page, I'll put all their details below. It's a company called Cushty Co. They started very small, and then suddenly it just like blasted, and I really cannot explain how amazing these soy wax melts smell. So we're going to go through the ones that I bought in the winter Christmas collection, and then we'll go through some of the ones that I've already used from a previous purchase that I loved. So first one I've got is the angel wings. You guys can see this is what it looks like. If you open this up, you'll see how beautiful it's decorated. Can you guys see? And this is like a snap pot. So as you guys can see, there's 6 that you just like push out and it breaks, and you put it in your wax melt. This one I would say smells like, it's like a clean soft sheets kind of, I wouldn't say stay soft, but like fabric softener type of smell. It says here, a beautiful soft powdery fragrance with a blend of baby powder and creamy vanilla custard, like having newborn baby cuddles. Now this one is so beautiful, guys. It's like, if you smell it like from far, you get like a powdery, but as you go closer, it becomes like sweeter. So I really, really love this one. Then the next one is, this one's quite interesting. This one is called the Candy Cane soy wax melt, as you guys can see. Now you can see each block is like, one's red, one's white, and this one looks like this inside, also very pretty. Now this was from the Christmas range, so that's why they had the clearance, and I just had to get my hands on all of this because we're going into winter now, and I am going to love this. It smells, this one has like a minty kind of, it says minty and sweet candy cane. So if you smell a candy cane, that is what this smells like. Like a sweet mint. That's what it smells like. Oh, guys, it's like I want to pop them all in, and I can't go through them fast enough to literally use them all. But I've got like 2 burners now because I got one from Pink Cosmetics. So when I get a little bit tired of the one, I'm putting that one in the cupboard, and I can burn him again some like other day, and then I'll go through them. So the next one I got is, let's see here, Christmas cookies. Now this one is, let me see inside. So, oh, this smells like, I don't know, if you're a fan of Lush, there's a lot of scents that's similar to Lush. The Christmas cookie one is a delicious fresh baked buttery cookie fragrance with vanilla frosting. That's what I'm smelling. I'm smelling like cake and vanilla. Almost like a, but not that cheap cake that you get at Pick n Pay with a like the icing. This is like, oh, it smells like almost you get like a warm banana, but it's not. You can't smell banana. It's just difficult to explain. So good, guys. Okay, Then moving on, you can also get you get these snap pots, but then you also get the pop shot pop shot, which is much cheaper, but it's like a bigger one that it's just like one use. So if you want to try out different things, then you can do that. Then there was 20 in my box, but when I got it, my mom actually was with me and she was like, can you have some? So I went through the smells and I was like, okay, you can have this one and this one. So I don't have them all here, but yeah. So we're going to go through the ones that I got to keep. Now the next one is called Christmas Nutcracker. And it's like a bluish kind of color. Oh, really so good. This one, it's got like these warm smells, these Christmas ones, because of, obviously. So it's a creamy, nutty aroma with freshly roasted walnuts and chestnuts, a blend of spicy white ginger, cinnamon and clove with a swirl of fresh coffee and whipped vanilla. That's what this smells like sweet coffee. Oh, I wish I could send like smells over YouTube. It's insane. But I know that they also just had like a collaboration with like Clean Smells and stuff with someone else, like overseas collaboration. So if you're not into like a flavored ones and you want more clean and you know those type of things, they do have a box of that currently available. I think it's £10 or something, £12 or something. I can't really remember. I think there you get 6 in the box, so you can just have a look at that. This one I'm burning currently. It's Christmas pudding. Now it's going to look a little bit destroyed because there's one block out, but it's, you guys can see how it works. You literally just pop one block out. Now this one, I kept saying, even without reading now what's in it, I kept saying last night that, so it smells like Christmas cake. Like, you know, without the frosting, just the inner cake, like literally just coming out of the oven and it's still warm and you can smell the raisins, like warm, sweet raisins in it. That's what that smells like. But it's a very, very strong scent, so you won't be able to burn it the whole time, like burn one and then burn something else, because it does get a lot, because it is so sweet, like a oveny, you know, it almost like you're eating too much cake and then you're like, okay, it's getting too much now. But it's freaking amazing. Okay, it says a mouth-watering Christmas pudding fragrance, a blend of honey, that's what I'm smelling, vanilla, cinnamon, cloves, raisins, plums, and a hint of lemon zest. So that is that one, guys, and it's freaking amazing. Then I've got the Christmas swirls one, or cinnamon swirls. Oh, look at how pretty that is. It looks like pudding. Now this one has a nice, subtle, more muted smell. It says a spicy cinnamon accord with warm, nutty undertones along with the aroma of fresh baked bread drizzled in icing. I do smell, it smells like cinnamon bread, like, but not like the overwhelming strong one. Oh, it's so good. So good. And then the next one. Sorry guys, there's a frog in my fruit. So the next one is, sorry, I'm just going through the website to give you guys the facts. And I don't want to say things and that is not real. So I'm first saying what I can smell, and then we go into the notes and see what they really are. Now this one is so cute. This one is, do you know the Muffin Man? How freaking cute. And then there's a little freaking gingerbread man kind of vibe going on there. This smells so good. It says a gorgeous sweet or gorgeous spicy sweet fresh baked gingerbread fragrance. It does smell like gingerbread, but not like a bad, like strong gingerbread, like the cookie one, you know, like it's almost like a sweet, there's some like a sweet undertone or whatever you want to call them, undertone. Then there's so many I want to try, but then we have Jammin Christmas. How cute are all the themed packaging, and that's what that looks like. Oh, now this smells like raspberry, like, wait, sweet cranberry marmalade with hints of Christmas spices. It does smell like spicy, you know. Oh, it's so good. I can't deal. Okay, then the next one is, my phone is so slow. The next one is Little Elves Coffee Shop. So can you guys see that? It's green. It's with Christmas things on. Oh, this smells like a cappuccino. But not like overwhelming, like you stepping, or like when you're walking in the mall and you walk past like Vida Cafe or like Starbucks or so, like a coffee shop. Oh, that for morning cappuccino. So it says a rich velvety coffee aroma with steamy milk and a generous dash of cinnamon syrup. Sorry, my tongue gets tied all the time. Topped off with cream and sprinkle of elf magic. Ooh. I'm so over I don't know why I get so excited with these things. Like I've got like a whole drawer of candles, but now I'm just obsessed at the moment with this stuff, and it's going into, like, I know it's freaking hot here, and I know that my boyfriend keeps complaining because he's like, you're burning a candle and it's flipping 40 degrees, like almost like my candles to blame, but it's not, okay? The candles still make the room hot, okay? It's not a fireplace. So I just needed to get that in there. So let's get to the next one. Now, where is it? There, Mince Pie. Now this one is so cute too. Opening it up, they pop so nicely. Oh, I can smell that already. Oh, doesn't smell like mince pie. A rich, buttery, fresh-baked mince pie fragrance with syrupy, brandied fruits on a base of warm spices. I smell the brandy and the spices, and it's, oh, it does things to me. It's doing things to me. Okay, then the next one. I know this is a long video, guys. Then we've got Mulled Wine. Do you guys see how pretty that is? Then this one is, oh, it's like a nice reddish color. Can you guys see? The mulled wine, I smell like almost like plums, but like sweet plums, almost like. So let's see what it is. Bursting with warm wine, sweet berries, and a base of spices, mulled wine is a cozy winter warmer. It smells like warm jam almost. Oh, it's so good. It's doing new things to me. Okay, don't worry guys, we're almost getting there. The others I gave to my mom. I know I had a my chocolate orange that she zopped from me. So I think out of the 20 she took about 6, so there is 6 missing here. But 20, how long is that going to last you? So you paid £20 for 20 of these, so you're literally paying £1 for this. It's just the shipping that's another £18. But I mean, even with that, it's still freaking, it's affordable. I mean, £1 is like what, at most 20 rand, so you're paying 40 bucks for this. It's same that you would pay anywhere, and you don't pay like customs. So this one is roasted chestnut. Oh, it looks so pretty. Oh, this one's got like a deeper smell. It says chestnuts roasting in on an open fire, but it is a very like almost like a rich dark smell, but not too much, you know. Oh, it's nice. Okay, then we've got 2 more here from the Christmas collection. So the first one, or the second last one from the Christmas collection, is spiced orange. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's so pretty inside. Oh, it's like a sweet orange. It's not like a tangy one. Sweet orange spiced with cinnamon and clove. Yeah, that's the. But it smells very summery. It doesn't smell like winter, you know. This is a nice one for summer, because it smells like sweet orange, like mandarin. Okay, and then most of these ones are sold out, so because they were Christmas, but there's new ones coming, so you can buy from that. This is vanilla Rumball, not Rumble, Rumball. It's so pretty. Oh, this is lekker. Sugary sweet rum, vanilla and tonka bean. Oh. Okay, then going to the ones that are the normal, you know, from the normal signature collection, which I love. They do have new ones, but let's start with, I actually had the, I think it was it the lemon tart or something? I had that one, and it smelled just like freaking lemon meringue, guys. There's like so many here. It's insane. Okay, hot apple pie. I've got this one, and that's what it looks like. Very pretty. Now, as you can imagine, this smells like cloves, but not like overwhelming, like cinnamon. And it says a warm sweet pastry with a hot gooey apple pie center and a hint of spice. Definitely the spices. Oh, I love this. Oh, it smells so good. They have a sale or a special that you buy 10 of these normal signature ones for £22. So, I mean, it's not the 20 that you got, but if you want to try it out, that's a very good way to go. So then we have 2 left. The one is almost finished because this is my freaking absolute favorite, but I'm going to do that last. I've got this Lullaby one. Look how pretty this is, guys. This smells like, I don't know, it's like a soft, clean, but it's hard to explain. Let me see if they can do it. With a blend of baby powder, dewy rose petals, light white florals and vanilla, this calming scent is perfect in the evenings. You'll sleep like a baby. It is like a very soft fragrance, not overwhelming, just like very nice and clean. And yeah. Oh, there's mint chocolate one that they just got in as well. I'm almost tempted to buy more just because it's on special, but I shouldn't do that to myself. I'm already broke. Don't do that. Okay, this one is my absolute favorite. Unicorn Dreams. I don't know why unicorns make me happy, but this smell is freaking amazing. You guys can see there's only 2 blocks left and then it's finished. This smells exactly like Lush Snow Fairy. Oh my goodness. Also they had like I think a lip scrub that was like this. It says a beautiful candy sweet combination of pear, candy floss, vanilla and cherry that reminds us of an elevated bubblegum type scent. This scent is just like a product that rhymes with no dairy. From a popular high street cosmetic store that rhymes with push. Push, obviously, so Lush, yeah. Rhymes with no dairy. Snow Fairy. So, guys, I love Snow Fairy, oh my gosh. Oh, but anyway. So, as you guys can see, I can't lift them up because they're too high. Let me try and stack them on top of each other. If this falls, I'm going to cry. Woo. But I want you guys to see how much I freaking love this stuff. Oh, there's another one. Oh, let's keep them together. Look at this. Can you guys say love something that much? Hey? I mean, really, guys, just try it out. Believe me, it's worth the money. Really, it is. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and didn't find it too boring. I just wanted to share this with you guys because it's one of my amazing finds. I buy so many stuff like all over and trying stuff that there's not really something like this that comes along and blows me away. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll put all the information below about this company, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.